friends, welcome to TS channel. We are continuing today also past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. From the last 2, 3, 4 days, I am taking this one today also. I am taking past continuous tense. Here forms of verb present tense V1, past tense V2, past participle V3. సింగ్ పాట పాడడం, sang పాడాడు, సంగ్ పాడేశాడు. డాన్స్ नाचने, डान्स्ड नाचला, डान्स्ड नाचलेला. టీచ్ బోధించడం, పఢానా, టాట్ బోధించాడు, టాట్ బోధించాడు. राइट लिखना, रोट लिखा, रिटन लिख चुका. फ्लाई उड़ने, फ्ल्यू उड़ला, फ्लोन उड़लेला. सिट बैठना, सैट बैठा, सैट बैठ चुका. ओपन తెరవడం, ఓపెండ్ తెరిచాడు, ఓపెండ్ తెరిచాడు. क्लोज बंद करणे, क्लोज्ड बंद केला, क्लोज्ड बंद केलेला. क्राई रोने, रोना, क्राइड रोया, क्राइड रो चुका. So here friends, forms of verbs are very important as far as our English language is concerned. Today we are taking while. while అంటే ఏంటిది? while म्हणजे काय? while बोले तो क्या? while जैसे ही वैसा. తెలుగులో ఎలాగైతే అలా. मराठीमध्ये जसंही तसं. let us make the sentences on while. while he was singing, जैसा ही उन्होंने गाना गा रहा था, I was dancing, वैसा मैं डांस कर रहा था. ఎలాగైతే ఆయన పాట పాడుతున్నాడో అలా నేను డాన్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. जैसे ही वो गाना गा रहा था, जसंही तो गाणं म्हणू लागला तसं मी नाचत होतो. while madam was teaching, we were writing in the notebook. while student was crying, teacher was closing door. while bird was flying in the sky, we were seeing. while teachers were teaching English, students were writing on the blackboard. while doctors were checking patients, you were seeing them. Like this you make the sentences. while pigeons were flying in the sky, while pigeons were flying in the sky, parrots were sitting on the trees. while students were closing door, parents were opening door. while singers were dancing, we were writing. Like this you make the sentences here. Now take next one. while fish, यहाँ पर fish बोल सकते, fish भी बोल सकते. I have read sometimes fishes or fish. while fishes were floating in the aquarium, people were watching them. people were watching them. while his sisters were crying, her mother was laughing. army men were saving people. army men were saving people while rivers were flowing. Like this. Now see here, simple past tense. Already we have taken the simple past tense. మనము సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ముందే తీసుకున్నాము. కానీ ఇప్పుడు अब हम सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस दोनों को मिलाकर एक सेंटेंस बनाना चाहते हैं. మనం ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ మరియు పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ తీసుకొని ఒకటే సెंटेन्स ఎలా చేయాలి చూడండి. आपण आता सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये घेऊन सिंपल कंटिन्यूअस दोन टेन्सेस मिसळून आपल्याला एकच सेंटेन्स करायचं आहे. ते कसं करू शकता आपण? लेट अस सी. यूज इथं आपण काय उपयोग केला पाहिजे सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये? वी टू. व्हाट शुड यू यूज? वी टू. यानी प्रेजेंट टेंस नहीं पास्ट टेंस का इस्तेमाल करना, सेकंड फॉर्म का. आई बॉट सम मैंगोस. आर्मी मैन सेव्ड देम. पैरोट्स sat on trees. His sister did not cry. We did not go to market. Past simple tense లో did not రావాలి, ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్ రావాలి. హియర్ సి पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस लो, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में V1 को ing लगाना चाहिए. वी आर टेकिंग नाउ आल्सो. आई वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम माय ऑफिस. मैं ऑफिस से आ रहा था. मी ఆఫీసున్ ఏవు లాగ్లో होतो. నేను ఆఫీసు నుంచి వచ్చుతున్నాను. सी हियर टू सेंटेंसेस. आई बॉट सम मैंगोस. यहाँ पर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है. सी दी सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. हियर आई हैव टेकन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. आई एम शोइंग दिस वन सिंपल पास्ट. आई बॉट सम मैंगोस व्हाइल आई वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम माय ऑफिस. जैसे मैं ऑफिस से आ रहा था वैसा मैं मैंगोस लाया. हियर नाउ सी नेक्स्ट वन. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वन? पैरोट्स. पैरोट्स sat on trees. पैरोट्स ट्रीज पे बैठे. while pigeon were flying in the sky. यहाँ पर here it is a past simple tense and it is a past continuous tense. Combining together and adding while we are making the one sentence. Here see, his sisters did not cry. उसके सिस्टरा नहीं रोए. Did not cry because their sisters were laughing at her. We did not go to market. हम मार्केट को नहीं गए because क्योंकि it was raining outside. Like this you make the sentences. You did not sing song because he was present there. Doctors were not checking patients because patients were sitting ideally. Pigeons were flying. नहीं तो pigeons did not fly in the sky because they were sitting on the trees. Like this you make the sentences, friends. Their father, third person singular. Their father was calling us. उनके अब्बा हमारे को बुला रहे थे. After he reached home. उन्हों घर को जाने के बाद उनके फादर हमारे को बुला रहे थे. आज हमको. Our friends were playing. हमारे दोस्तां. Our friends played. हमारे दोस्तां played with them. Although it was raining. रोनिंग पानी पड़ रहा था फिर भी उनके दोस्तां उनके साथ खेले. Here it is a past simple tense. It is a past continuous tense. See here. Now, as I was taking evening walk, जैसे ही मैं evening walk कर रहा था, I found, मैं देखा, क्या देखा? Rich beggar on the road. Here it is a past continuous tense and it is a simple past tense. Making together we are making one sentence. ये past continuous tense आहे. ఇది past continuous tense and ఇది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు past simple tense. ఈ రెండును కలిపి యాజ్ ను కలిపి మనము ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ చేస్తున్నాము కాబట్టి be careful, friends. While I am combining past simple tense and past continuous tense, making the sentences, taking the as, because, while, like this. An elephant and its baby were acting in the circus like a human being. Here only one sentence. An elephant and its baby were acting in circus like के जैसा human being. लोगों के जैसा उन्होंने act कर रहे थे. Friends, what I am telling here is that I am trying to tell you how the past simple tense and past continuous tense combining together and form one sentence. मी सांगण्याचा तुम्हाला प्रयत्न करू लागलो आहे की पास्ट सिंपल टेन्स आणि कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मिसळून एकच सेंटेन्स कशा प्रकारे करतात ते मी तुम्हाला दाखवण्याची कोशिश करू लागलो आहे. फ्रेंड्स, नाउ विथ दिस वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड टुडेज क्लास. You subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it, so that I can get encouragement, friends. Thanks, friends.